Some followed up. Heck yeah. Uh-oh, he got off. In the boat though. Ain't too worried about him. Like I said, I saw him followed up. Set the hook on him. It's a beautiful day out here. It's so warm. Loving it. Fish. Yes. Awesome. I felt something hit my lure. Cool. There we go. Hey guys, I caught this little bluegill on my trout magnet. I made a little cast over by some, let's see if I can show you, over by that tree. And I was bringing it back in, and then I felt something hit it real quick, and I wasn't expecting a hit because I was charging my GoPro. Like I'm in an area where I don't normally get too much action, but I'm surprised. That's cool. So let him go. Yep, just took right off. Damn. Gonna retie. Got one. Ooh, yes, sir. I'll take that. It's been a tough one so far. I haven't had a hit in a while. And, the wind just hasn't been cool. Really, really unpleasant. Yes, sir. Cool. Let him go. Got my kayak put away. Probably gonna head home and edit this video, then probably upload it to YouTube. So if you guys are still watching it up at this point, I do appreciate it. If you guys could like, share, subscribe, that'd be cool. And if you guys find anything informative or useful, feel free to LS us. And I'll catch you guys next video. Have a good one.